Hello, my name is Sivakorn Sisavan. In this video, I would like to share my intercultural experience for my 2 months research internship at Shibaura Institute of Technology in Tokyo, Japan. I select this experience because it was my first time spending a long period studying and doing research in another country. I work in the effective technology laboratory, where my research focus on biosignal, wearable sensor, and machine learning. During the internship, I work with Japanese and international students, join research activity, and communicate mainly in English. For me, this experience was not only about research, it was also an opportunity to learn how to communicate and adapt in an international environment. Before going to Japan, one thing I was worried about was English. In Thailand, I did not use English very often in my daily life. On daily life, I always use in Thai, so I was not sure whether I would be able to understand discussion or communicate well in the laboratory. Before I went to Japan, I talked with my professor about this. She told me that my English was already good enough to communication and that I could not worry about it too much. This gave me more confidence, but I was still little nervous when I first arrived. One important activity during my internship was the weekly journal club. Every week, students from my laboratory and nearby laboratory present research paper related to their research interest. I had the opportunity to listen to different research topics and ask questions about things that I found interesting. And at first, I had think carefully because before asking question in English, I was afraid that I might use wrong word or that my question might not be clear. But after joining the journal club several times, I became more comfortable. I realized that communication does not have to be perfect. The interesting is that's what we try to understand each other. And every 2 weeks, we also had our own laboratory seminar. This was different because I had to present about my progress of my own research. I explained what I had done, what problem I found, and what I plan to do next. Other lab member could then give suggestion or ask about my work, what I do. This discussion helped me improve both my English communication and my research skill. Sometimes another student present a technique that I had never used before, and I start thinking about whether that method could be applied to my own project. This made the interaction useful, not only culturally but also academically. I also participate in IGP theorem poster presentation students from different laboratory present their research projects. So I had a chance to see many different ideas and approach. Another part of the experience came from simply living in Tokyo. Before going there, I thought daily life might to be different from Bangkok. Actually, there was many similarity, especially because both are large cities with public transportations and busy daily routines. However, I still had to learn new things such as how to use the train system, how to communication when buying something, and some social rules in public place. I also noticed things such as punctuality and preparation in the laboratory meeting and presentation were taken seriously. So I learned to prepare my work before discussion and be ready to explain my progress. And so I also learned how to asking question is very important. Instead of pretending that I understand something, I become more comfortable asking for clarification when I was unsure. Thank you.